Elon Musk appears to have no plans to cease disrupting sectors anytime soon, as he has plans to add new firms and creative items to his portfolio. Tesla's new phone is expected to disrupt the electronic device sector, in addition to electric cars, space exploration, and other areas. Stay tight, because Musk just unveiled Tesla's phone, which will revolutionize the electrical device industry. Musk's unthinkable accomplishments. Elon Musk has done unthinkable accomplishments and had a big impact on the automobile and space industries during the last 2 decades as a disruptive visionary. Musk, in fact, never fails to astound us with his incredible technology and mind-blowing inventions: automated heavy-lift spacecraft, Tesla's electric automobiles, and neural connections brain-machine interfaces are astounding advancements that we could never have imagined. So, as these companies release new devices every now and then, can we expect any more from them? Tesla, for example, has a smartphone ready to take over. Tesla new phone. When you hear about the Tesla phone, the term everything comes to mind as the greatest description. Musk plans to include every available technology into the super smartphone, which may be one of the reasons why none of these phones have been invented before. This model depicts a number of his noteworthy accomplishments, including the construction of 4,680 batteries, solar-powered devices, Tesla electric automobiles, and multiple SpaceX missions. Satellite connectivity for seamless networking was a challenge for all smartphone companies. The Iridium Geo or Global Link satellite communication was one of the most well-known names among satellite phones, however. It had very slow uplink and downlink speeds of 2.4 kilobits per second. While beating this metric, Tesla's Pi also matches smartphone rates. The Starlink fleet offers to download and upload speeds of approximately 210 megabits per second because to its low-orbit satellites. Low latency and rapid connectivity are guaranteed by satellites in low orbit. Following Elon Musk's breakthrough in 2020, the world has seen a surge of new technology. In reality, we may simply study every area by reading news stories or following the man's tweets. Whether it's through SpaceX's Neuralink or Tesla's quick succession of models, Musk seems to have left an indelible stamp on every new business. In other words, he can build a Mars colony with only the technology found in a smartphone. With a fleet of roughly 1,600 satellites positioned in subsynchronous orbits around the planet, Starlink's connection is expected to enable comprehensive connectivity to the Model Pi. More than 90,000 users had signed up for the platform by the end of September 2021, and nearly 17 countries had joined. SpaceX plans to build a global network by the end of 2022, covering major countries on all continents. By the end of 2021, Musk aims to connect Starlink to electric vehicles such as huge trucks, aircraft chips, and electric autos. Meanwhile, Tesla model sedans are still ineligible for the benefit because of the lack of universal Starlink connectivity. But we should expect this to change once the phone is introduced, since spacecraft are added to the chain on a regular basis. Tesla automobiles can connect to phones directly without the use of SIM cards in this situation. Tesla has also launched functionality for its mobile app, allowing drivers to operate the vehicle without using any manual controls. Isn't this fantastic? Mars Vision. The ability to mine Mars coins, a cryptocurrency, is available with this smartphone. Since Elon Musk envisions establishing a colony on Mars, he launched Mars currencies in 2014, or virtual currency meant for use on the Red Planet. Instead of producing additional money, cryptocurrencies and blockchain-based ledgers may be used to replace currency. Could the Model Pi be the first smartphone on Mars? The Mars Coins developers have built a new ledger specifically for use by the colony on Mars with the help of Musk, and the Model Pi includes an internal minting application. So could the Model Pi be the first smartphone on Mars? Machine learning and artificial intelligence have created new ways to interact with machines and humans during this time period, creating a neural link. Musk's alluring brain technology was developed in 2016, and its worth continues to rise. The goal is to connect the brain to an automated device so that direct input can be provided. Then, as part of the neural link technologies, brain-machine interfaces would be implanted in the user, allowing them to use existing technology or collaborate with working apps on their smartphone. The sensory organs, such as the eyes, sense of smell, touch, and quick reaction time, are all tied to the central nervous system. Developers say that using this technology, you can actually replace many of your functions and eliminate a lot of cognitive labor. For example, you may now use Alexa or Siri to send brain impulses directly to your smart devices. Any other interactive platform is a platform in need of quick expansion, as modern products are anticipated to include IoT man-machine interaction. Neuralink technology can also be used to treat mental impairment and difficulty to concentrate. People with mental illnesses will probably be able to crawl up to advanced platforms with strong communication as cell phones progress, and these applications arrive. The sensory organs, such as the eyes, sense of smell, touch, and quick reaction time, are all tied to the central nervous system. Developers say that using this technology, you can actually replace many of your functions and eliminate a lot of cognitive labor. For example, you may now use Alexa or Siri to send brain impulses directly to your smart devices. Any other interactive platform is a platform in need of quick expansion, as modern products are anticipated to include IoT man-machine interaction. Neuralink technology can also be used to treat mental impairment and difficulty to concentrate. People with mental illnesses will probably be able to crawl up to advanced platforms with strong communication as cell phones progress and these applications arrive. As a result, by merging these technologies into a smartphone in this manner, the Tesla Model Pi is unquestionably a groundbreaking development inside the business. Aside from the emphasis on population on the extraterrestrial world, the major concepts would also be impressive on Earth. Despite the fact that the handset has yet to be given a firm release date, we can expect it to include new capabilities. It's also unclear what the pricing will be or what the structure will be. However, all of these causes are projected to fade away in the near future. Starlink Satellite now offers internet access for $99 per month, with the price of the phone and the terms of the future Starlink subscription to be disclosed later. Despite the fact that a prototype Model Pi has only been shown in photographs and videos, it has sparked interest and anticipation. Is it the 4 cameras or the iPhone-like design that appeals to the audience, as compared to the Samsung Z Flip or Huawei Mate X? No other smartphone has yet to integrate one of the most remarkable features, the changing phone case color. However, because the phone's case has a gradient-changing pigment, coating that changes color as the sun shines and the shade falls, it's not surprising that it'll start a trend in the market, as critics have already forecasted the competition. There hasn't been any mention of its color palette or prototype design, but it appears that we won't need them because the back and front of the device are meant to adjust to the darkness with intelligence thanks to the quad lens camera array on the back. In addition, a smart camera with artificial intelligence software will be created with astrophotographic features, outperforming any existing portable camera in terms of app availability. An ultrasonic touchscreen lock and quick approach symbols are featured on the phone's front screen. Aside from the numerous capabilities that every modern phone offers, any busy individual will find the phone to be ideal. With a continual internet connection and solar battery charging available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Without a doubt, this is a low-maintenance, high-quality product. Is it, however, capable of traveling into space? SpaceX and Apple recently teamed up to test a new space tourism venture, as we'd all know. Due to their usage of 5G technology and the fastest LTE network, space tourists have been able to utilize Apple phones. Apple has also built its own satellite technology in combination with Tesla's 2017 launch of a satellite phone. However, their powers are confined to emergency situations, and they are unable to maintain continuous communication. To put it another way, the primary source would be cellular technology. While Apple does not have its own satellites like Starlink, it does rely on Globalstar satellites for connectivity. Nonetheless, the iPhone 13 is rumored to include satellite enhancements. Apple's iPhone 12, iPad minis, and Mac Pros were recently used to outfit traveling people to travel into space as part of SpaceX's idea for testing. The major goal was to track and record health indicators, as well as to alert users to changes in their surroundings. It's interesting that the missions Apple goes were designed by Antonio de Rosa, the same person who designed the Raspberry Pi. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Remember to comment and share the video.